Hello, parents and my dear children. Hope you're fine and taking good care of your health. I, Miss Kunja, welcome you to my class. Distancing. Children, are you keeping distance with your books? No, you shouldn't do that. Keep on learning every day. So in today's class, I'm going to help you with chapter 25 of English grammar. The name of the chapter is Question Words. Children, before discussing about question words, let us quickly revise what is a sentence through this example. Children, what are these? Yes, these are words. Now please tell me, is this a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. Can you help me in arranging these words properly? Thank you. So, the first word will be Ram. The second word will be is. The third word will be a. And the last word will be boy. Now, is this sentence complete? No, children. So, what will we add at the end? Wonderful. We'll add full stop. Now, this is a complete sentence. So, children, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Now, can you tell me what is a sentence? Fantastic! A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Children, there are 4 types of sentences. Let us see through this chart. These are the types of sentences. Let us see one by one. The first one is statement. Please repeat, children. Statement. When a sentence tells us something, then it is a statement. Please read the sentence, children. Ram is a boy. So here the sentence is telling us something. So it is a statement. A statement always ends with a full stop. The second one is question. Please repeat, children. Question. And questions are also known as interrogative sentences. I repeat, children. Questions are also known as interrogative sentences. When a sentence asks us something, then it is a question. Interrogative is a question word that helps us to ask a question. Let us see this example. Please read this. Who are you? So here who is a question word. That is, who is an interrogative. That is helping us to ask this question. A question always ends with a question mark. The third one is command. Please repeat, children. Command. When a sentence requests us or gives us orders, then it is a command. Please read this. Please open the door. Like statement, a command also ends with a full stop. The fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Please repeat, children. Exclamatory sentence. When a sentence shows strong feeling like happiness, anger, fear, etc., then it is an exclamatory sentence. Please read this. Hooray! It's a holiday. An exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark.
Children, we ask questions every day, isn't it? They are the part of our life. They begin with question words known as interrogatives. So in this chapter, we'll study about few question words. Children, do you remember WH question words? Like who? Can you tell me more WH question words? Come on, children. Excellent. They are who, what, which, where, when, etc. So one by one, I am going to discuss about all these words. The first word is who. Come on, children, quickly spell who. Yes, you are correct. The spelling of who is W-H-O, who. Children, who is used when we ask questions about a person or people. Example, who is she? Who are they? Children, you also frame a question with who? Excellent. The next word is what. Can you tell me the spelling of what? Yes, you are absolutely correct. W-H-A-T, what? What is used when we talk about a thing or things? Example, what is on the table? What are their names? Come on, children, you also frame a question with what? Very good. The next word is where. Can you help me with the spelling of where? Thank you, children. The spelling is W-H-E-R-E. Where? Where is used when we talk about places like where do you live? Where are you going? Come on, children, a sentence with where. Awesome. The fourth word is which. Please spell which. Yes, W-H-I-C-H, which. Which is used when we ask about a particular place or thing. Example, which is your favorite subject? Which school do you go to? Come on, children, a question with which. Wonderful. And the last word is when. Please spell when. Yes, W-H-E-N, when. When is used when we talk about time. Example, when will you study? When is your birthday? Come on, children, a question with when. Fabulous! My children are so smart because they have framed all the questions correctly. Children, please remember one thing. Whenever you ask a question or give a reply to any question. You should always do the same in a polite way. Now let us come to our English grammar book.
The name of our English grammar book is Climb with Cornerstone. With the help of the index page, we'll go to chapter 25, question words. Here are some conversations which you can carry out with the help of your brothers and sisters. Let's go to the next page. Here are the rules written, which I have already discussed. Now let's see the exercises. These are the simple exercises. If you have understood the rules, you will not find any difficulty in doing these exercises.
Hope you have understood this chapter. So let us quickly do the sum up. What are interrogative sentences also known as? Yes, interrogative sentences are also known as questions. Children, which 5 WH question words did we discuss today? Yes, we discussed who, what, where, which and when. What are these words called? Very good. These words are called question words. So children, read the chapter nicely and complete the exercises. And in your rough copy, frame 2 questions with all the 5 words which we discussed today along with their answers. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.